I'm Rich Williams.
I'm Pete Williams.
And we're winners for the cider.
So we started making cider in 2009. My brother bought a basket press. We made 5 litres of some really ropey cider. The year after that we made 30 litres. And the year after that I think we made 200. And we've kind of grown from there. We're probably somewhere in the region of 6,000 litres a year now we make. So it's kind of a hobby gone mad.
It's everything about my life. I live, eat and breathe the pub. And the thing is the people that you meet. And they're all kinds of people, not just my customers, but also the suppliers. These guys have become very much part of my everyday life. I've got a bit of a passion for local produce. I feel it's important that the local brewers are represented in local pubs and that their beer isn't just sent off on pallets to different places.
There's definitely a resurgence that I feel in people wanting to buy local produce. It gives the local community an identity if they can connect to stuff that's produced within a local radius. So we've been included in a series of local workshops. We actually met Maya from the White Cross in Groes Wen. Maya subsequently contacted us, came down and visited us here at the cider house, and tasted some of the products, and we started to supply. She wanted to try us in the pub to see how successful it was and how the products went down with the locals, and we haven't looked back since.
Back in the summer, we were lucky enough to have a sausage and cider festival. And after speaking to the Williams brothers, who sourced all the cider for me, they introduced me to Karen from Arga Farm. And we were lucky to have the sausages that came from the pigs, that ate the mash, that came from the apples, that made the cider that we know as Splanky. And that was a really good thing to have. The sausages were superb. We're in Wales and I think we should support our local businesses as much as we can.
Yeah, you're damn right, so yeah. Everything Welsh. Everything rugby, innit?